Dear students, welcome. In previous class, we have discussed about coplanar parallel force system. Now we are going to solve problem in coplanar parallel force system. Four parallel forces of magnitudes 100 Newton, 150 Newton, 25 Newton and 200 Newton are shown in figure. Determine the magnitude of the resultant and also the distance of the resultant from point A. So first we have to find the resultant forces. Resultant force are equal to only vertical force only available. So 100 positive minus 150 because downward direction, negative direction, minus 25 plus 200. So 300 minus 175, so equal to 125 or equal to 125 Newton. So resultant completed. Resultant over. Now next step, find the position of the resultant at, from point A. From point A. From point A, position of the resultant. We know the formula. Moment of all the forces about any one point equal to moment of resultant about that point. So moment of all the forces about point A. First you have to find algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about point A equal to moment of resultant about point A. Moment of resultant about point A. So how to find first? How to find moment of one moment equal to force into perpendicular distance. So 150 into 0.9 meter clockwise direction, positive. 25 into 2.1, so 25 into 2.1 clockwise direction, 25 into 2.1 minus anti-clockwise direction 200 into 2.1, 2.85 equal to moment of resultant about point A. The resultant equal to 125. So 125 into 125 positive, so upward direction, into unknown distance x. So upward direction, so anti-clockwise direction, so negative minus 125 into x. 125 into x. So from that you have to find the x value. 150 into 0.9 equal to, so positive 135 plus 52.5, 25 into 2.1, 52.5 minus 202.85, 570 Newton meter equal to 125 minus 125 x. 125 x. So from that, total value, algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about point A equal to minus 382.5 equal to minus 125 into x. So minus cancel. So from that x equal to 382.5 divided by 125 equal to 3.06 meter. So x equal to, so result, how to write the result? How to write the result? Magnitude of the resultant R equal to magnitude of the resultant R equal to 125 Newton, and position of the resultant from point A, position of the resultant from point A, x equal to distance of the resultant from point A, distance of resultant from A, x equal to 3.06 meter. So 3.06, 3.06. That's all. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.